A lot can be said about the original Pixel Watch, but one thing that is certain is that it's a showcase for Google's vision of the ideal smartwatch. From the sleek, modern design to the material UI design that stretches across the entire system, it's exactly what to expect from a Google product. One element that's undeniably important in a smartwatch is the watch face, and Google has made sure to build plenty of unique options to pick from. From super minimalistic ones to more complex options for users that require more utility. The much-anticipated Google Pixel Watch 2 builds on this library, adding 4 new highly configurable options to pick from. It currently appears that they will remain exclusive to the second-gen watch. Thanks to an anonymous source inside Google, we can show the watch faces in action. These will be available in 4 styles: accessible, arc, bold digital, and analog bold. The first new watch face heading our way is called accessible. As the name suggests, it's all about simplicity and legibility. While all the available variants share design elements with existing watch faces, they are more plain, without many distractions. On the other end of the spectrum is Arc, a highly customizable watch face intended for users requiring more utility and tailoring from their watch. With it, you can add up to 4 complications as well as additional information around the outside and the option to toggle a second hand. The design will be a bit too busy for some people's tastes, but it's certainly good to have the option. Bold digital and analog bold are 2 sides of the same coin, offering the same curvy, overlapping numbers on each, just in a digital or analog face respectively. You can have up to 3 complications if you opt for the former, while the latter gives you space for more around the ring. According to Wojciechowska, each watch face comes with a variety of colors, and the Pixel Watch 2 will come with Wear OS 4's dynamic theming, where colors from your chosen theme spill out to other parts of the UI, including the boot animation. These all look very stylish in their own way, and more choice is objectively a good thing. But there's a downside. It currently appears that they will remain exclusive to the second-gen watch. The first is that these new faces might be, for some reason, a big drain on the first-generation Pixel Watch's battery. Given the original struggles to get through a day on a single charge, if these new faces have complicated animations or too many complications, Google may decide it's best not to tempt existing users into slashing battery life even further. The second is simply the appeal of exclusivity. If the new watch has faces you can't get on the original, then perhaps more people will be tempted to upgrade. Although if that is the case, it's a pretty poor way of treating early adopters. We shouldn't have too long to wait. The Pixel Watch 2 is tipped to appear alongside the Pixel 8 when it emerges this fall. In the past, non-A-class Pixel events have been held in October, so just a few months to go. So how do you like these new watch faces for upcoming Google Pixel lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.